Now I am coming to the next portion. You know that the three ships had gone for a journey, one to the west, one to the east, but one was successful in reaching the destination, but the other was not successful. And now the description of the third ship. The third ship drove towards where? Towards the north. Okay, so the third ship drove towards the north. Over the sea, the darkening sea. Darkening sea means this sea was about to be becoming dark as the weather was very bad with dark clouds overcasting the sky. But no breath of wind came forth. At that time, no breath of wind means the sailors who were there on the journey of the ship could not experience the blow of the wind. They were extremely frustrated as they could not experience the feel of the wind on the sails of the ship or on the skin of the body. And the decks shone frostily. So what happened? Frostily means from a far away, the decks were shown. The lights could be shown, but they were all hazy. In a hazy manner, all the decks were shining. Why? Because there were clouds and the visibility of the ships was poor. Means from the shore, no one could see the ship as it had become hazy. The northern sky rose high and black over the proud, unfruitful sea. So the northern sky means the northern sky was full of dark black clouds, and these just overcasted the sea, or the proud or the unfruitful sea. Proud means very proud. It seemed that the sea was very much proud of its presence, vast stretch of the water, and if the sea was very conscious about its presence. The sea was unfruitful because there was no sea current favorable for the ships to carry, for the ship, especially the third ship, to carry on its journey. So it was quite tough for the third ship to carry on the journey as the visibility was poor. There was no favorable water current and there was no favorable wind for its journey. East and west ships came back happily or unhappily. So from east the ship came back happily means with much success, and from the west also the ship came back but unsuccessfully, so unhappily. But the third went wide and far. The third went wide and far means the third went to a journey which was very far away from the human beings, or far away from the shore. It was a far away. It did not know where it was going. Into an unforgiving sea. Into an unforgiving sea means unforgiving. Means this sea would never pardon anyone. The sea was so rough. The sea was so full of danger. So it was rather very much troublesome for the third ship to carry on the journey. Still, it was not afraid. It did not want to return. The two ships returned, but the third ship was extremely confident that it would be carrying on its journey. It did not return. It just carried on its journey under a fire-spilling star, and it was rigged for a long journey. So, it under a fire-spilling star. What do you mean by a fire-spilling star? Fire-spilling star especially means a star, means the sun. Sun, it's fire, means fire. It just the star which just spilling fire means which is vomiting a sort of, which is spitting a sort of fire. So that is known as the fire spilling star or the sun. During the day means it just started its journey under the guidance of the sun, and it can be considered as a meteor also, which can be seen in the night, and meteor is considered as an ill omen, means a type of curse, a type of evil thing for the journey of the ships. Still, the ship is not afraid. It just carried on its journey. It just carried on its journey. And as it was rigged, means very much prepared that it would go out for the long journey, it was not at all afraid of its dangers on its way. It knew that it had to go on. It just carried on. So the third ship just went over the rough sea with little favorable wind and the circumstances. So darkening sea, the sky is covered with clouds, and the atmosphere is dark. Then frostily in a hazy manner, or you can say not clear, in a hazy manner, unfruitful, not suitable for a favorable for a journey. Not suitable or favorable for a journey. Not suitable or favorable for a journey. Wide and far. Very far, or not sure about destination. No breath of wind. There was no wind blowing. Unforgiving, full of danger. Fire, speeding, star, the sun, or the meteor. Sun or a meteor. So we can say that it was a very it is a very nice poem with the describing the journey of the three ships. It is absolutely wonderful when we hear the journey about the journey of the three ships. Now we have come to know one thing I must mention, that these three ships describe three different human beings, qualities of categories of human beings. You just see the first category, they of human beings are there. Their life is very easy. Their life is very smooth. They get everything in life, and they are successful at every respect. So everything favors them. They are very lucky people, sort of people. Second sort of people, they are very unlucky. They do not get everything in life. They face the failures, and they are afraid to take on the challenge of life. They just return, they just give up, surrenders to the circumstances. And the third sheep represent those kind of human beings who are very strong, who are very braveheart, and who are very dominating and confident. They never gives up. They never give up. They just carry on their journey with utmost sincerity, and they are very fond of their journey, means their struggles of life. They are not conscious about the destination or what they will get or what they will achieve. Their internal ambition take them far and far. They are not aware of the goal, but they are aware of the journey. They never surrender in life, and they just ultimately win the battle of life. So you can see that the third ship has the there was dangers of the storm, there was dangers of the, and it could have been drowned. There were dangers of the sea, which was sea, unfavorable wind. Still it carried on its journey. So this is a description of the three ships. One ship reached its destination, came back happily. The second ship could not reach its destination, but the third ship carried on its journey.